So for today, we're comparing two cloud hosting platforms, which is the Railway and Heroku. So, in Railway, it offers a developer-friendly experience with simple deployment processes. Its pros are it is easy to set up, and it has generous free tier and a smooth integrations. And its cons is it has unlimited scaling options and occasionally instability. While in Heroku is a veteran in cloud hosting, especially popular for deploying web applications. And the pros, super B developer experience, easy deployment, and extensive plugin ecosystem. And its cons are expensive pricing at scale and recent changes to their free tier policies. In comparison, Railway excels at rapid prototyping and free tier experimentation, while Heroku shines in developer experience and established integrations. And in conclusion, choose Railway for cost-effective, quick deployments, and choose Heroku for polished developer experiences and reliable scaling.